So I got fed up with these lights. They're great, yeah, they come on, but they're just not bright enough, and you got to reach over in the van if you want to turn them on anytime. Two different colours as well, because I stuck an LED in one thinking it'd be good, but no, it's none the better. So today we're going to upgrade them. Got myself some of this LED cob off of eBay. So let's see what this looks like, shall we? I think I've got around 5 metres, so to cover the whole van, I'll just roll it out and cut it in half. All I wanted was something nice and simple. Just stick it to the side of the van so I can get some better lights in here. And now to give it some power from these old lights. Rip these down, see which one I'm going to connect up to. And I must say, it does the trick. Lights it up all the way around. Yep, made myself a little coat hanger as well. So it goes all the way around, and I did 2 separate circuits because sometimes you don't need them all on. So I stuck them on 2 switches.